My name is Rishabh Shukla, working as a managing consultant with Alletec Technologies. Today I'm going to talk to you about performance analyzer and application insight with the help of enhanced telemetry. When it comes to high volume transaction, performance becomes a key concern with every ERP. On one hand, where customers are attracted to zero infrastructure cost with the new SaaS model of Business Central, where on the other hand, it also restricts them to get access to their SQL database directly. At the end, they do not get also access to their logs of long running transactions and long running queries. And it can also happen with to a specific scenario, which also becomes a deterrent to the customers to move to cloud. This issue now stands resolved. Analysis of such long running transaction can be done with the breakup of their apps, their publisher, even by their procedures, where you can also get a track of which function or which piece of code is taking longer time than its applied threshold. On top of it, we can also get some application insights with the help of telemetry and also with enhanced telemetry. These insights can also be accessed with the help of a BI tool where a CTO or a solution architect can analyze the logs based on a BI report and also raise an alarm if there is a surge caused by a specific transaction or maybe a batch report run by a specific user. Microsoft is committed to provide customer the best performance experience with Business Central. Please connect with us at info@olitech.com to know more.